Hey, good morning. I don't know about you, but I'm a little tired last night. I stayed up late with all my pre-sales buddies. We're doing a bunch of sarsaparilla, talked about in-memory computing, mobility, and all the other stuff out there. So we're going to get back on the bus, go up there, see what's going on for Sapphire today. I'm looking forward to the keynote from Jim and all the other exhibitors and the things that are going on. So let's hop on the bus and head on out, okay?
All the products are working extremely well. Why, thank you.
That's fantastic. You're taking care of me. Thank you so much, Renee. Wonderful. I can't wait to get my makeup. I know. Renee pranking everybody.
Hey, Renee. Really great demo. Tell me what kind of feedback you got after the demo from Avon.
What's interesting is right after the keynote, I happened to run into the CIO of Avon, and they were overwhelmed. They were really touched that a company like SAP would invest so much, not only to highlight their company, their product, but really highlight the role of the sales rep. And they couldn't believe that SAP would invest so much in them. And, you know, we take it for granted because it becomes part of, you know, our sales cycles. We talk about it all the time, but they don't really realize how much they mean to us. And I think they actually saw that today.
Hi, I'm Sherry Kasabian. I'm part of the Strategic Programs Group of SAP Presales under Ken Hamill. I wanted to give you a little background on how the Avon demo was created. I worked very closely with Keith Berg, the AE, and the pre-sales team. And it started off with just an idea. If you look at the RFP, there was very little mobility requirements, but we thought we could use mobility as a true differentiator between us and the competition. We had a couple calls with the IT folks and the business users from Avon, and after talking to them, we realized that mobility could become a huge differentiator in the deal. They had an idea of the need for mobility, but they really didn't have a direction or a true vision of what they wanted. We were able to talk to them and define a vision. We put ourselves in the hearts and minds of who the Avon Sales Associate was and what they would do on a daily basis. We focused on the tasks they would do on a daily basis versus the typical SAP business process. And because of that, we developed a demo that includes some of the things that they would do on a daily basis, plus, of course, being able to highlight the supply chain, the inventory management, and the order processing of the SAP business process. And then we also put something in there for fun, the virtual makeover. Again, the ability for them to increase their sales by using a great tool as part of the mobile demo. The Avon demo was the first concept demo that really got a lot of play. I think what we found is the concept demo really has a good, serves a great need for in the sales cycle. And because of Avon, we've been able to work with all the other sales teams for Cardinal Health, Knoll Furniture, and many others to develop concept demos that meet their sales needs. I think what we'll find is that the concept demo plays an important role to differentiate us in our competitors, but again, we also have to show the core business processes that SAP is known for.
Hi everyone, I'm coming to you direct from Sapphire here in Orlando, where it's a great event. I mean, we have 15,000 people here. You know, the energy is really high. We had a great keynote this morning with Bill and with Jim. As you know, many of the mobile apps got delivered this morning. Wired Platform version 2.0 got delivered. We announced an SAP store. There's a whole bunch of innovation that's coming out as part of the show, and I think the key message that we're hearing out of this is we got to help our customers understand the path to the future. We got to help them paint the vision for the future. So as pre-sales, you know, I'm looking to each of you to really embrace what we're introducing here at Sapphire, you know, introduce it to our customers around the world and help them paint the future. Have a great quarter. Thank you.
Okay, the event has been great. I think the most special message has been this is not time for consolidation for the companies, but it's time for innovation. So it's all about reach, it's all about speed, it's all about how to collaborate between the co-workers in the company, and this is all about the customer. We have to, through HANA, through in-memory, through all the technologies, actually get to the customer and transform the business of the customers. This has been the special message in Sapphire for me.
What we're seeing here is a live HANA demo connected to a Microsoft Connect box. So what you can see over here, we have down there in the corner a Blade server which has got 3.2 billion records on. And what you can see here on the screen is actually a HANA database interrogating it. So down here at the bottom I have here geographical, I have products, I have time, and finally the result. So what I can do now is here in a geographic region, I can then go here into a particular region. I can select, for example, North America, and we're interested then in, let's say, the Canadian region. And here I can then select Canada, and we'll compare it against France. We can see then here the products that we're comparing. We're comparing sporting gloves against ski pants. If I want to, I can then obviously go back down here now into the time. Here I can say we're comparing 2010 against, we'll choose 2011. You can go down here, either choose a year, a quarter, or an individual day. I'll select 2011, and then all I need to do is say OK. Well, you can see the blue line, and then I'll just move this across, and finally you see the results. What we'll do now then, out of that 3.2 billion records, we've selected almost 2 million of them, and then I can see the result of that comparison. The turnover in the two different countries. I can see here the actual product breakdown compared of gloves and ski pants, and finally I can see then the actual revenues by individual product. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, 3.2 billion records interrogated in seconds thanks to the HANA technology and Microsoft Connect.
Hi, my name is Charles Vogt, and I support the Consume to Cash line of business. I'm a senior solution advisor. I'm based out of New York City, and I'm here today talking about Consume to Cash, which is SAP's multi-industry, service-oriented revenue management solution. So we are talking to customers about how they can transform their business from traditional products to supporting services using our platform. So far, Sapphire has been great. Looking forward to tomorrow's show with Sting, and I'm glad I have the opportunity to join you.
Hi, I'm Andre Geyer at Sapphire now in Orlando in 2011. I am showing CRM service. We're doing some business communication management. We are doing some web service. We are doing some e-service as well. Sitting here, the customers are getting great feedback. We have a pretty decent amount of foot traffic, and hope to see you at the booth.
Hi, I'm Steve Basil. I am a solution advisor on the Business by Design team. I'm located in the hill country of Texas, having a great time at Sapphire. All the events are great. My feet are killing me. So come by our pod. Professional Services is showing now.
And this is what we would expect from a bunch of goofy guys doing stupid things.
Did I hurt your finger?
Make you
Hey everybody, I don't know about you, but I had a great second day here at Sapphire. From the keynotes in the morning, to the demos we saw during the day, to the Avon demo that was highlighted, that Presales certainly played a key role in, to some great discussions and some great interviews that I had throughout the day. But I don't know about you, my feet are tired. I'm going to cool my heels in the pond here, so this is the end of the second day here at Sapphire. We'll see you first thing in the morning. Have a great evening. Okay, hey everybody, what a great second day at Sapphire. Did a lot of things, from the morning's keynote address, to the Avon demo that we saw, to the other demos we saw during the day, and the chance to interview some people. I had a great time, but again, I'm exhausted. So heading back to the hotel. We'll see you later tomorrow morning for the last day of Sapphire. Have a good one.